everyone. The topic what we are going to discuss today is net present value. Even the name itself you can see net present value. Present value of what? Present value of cash inflow and cash outflow. There are two. The present value, as far as present value is concerned, one will say cash inflows and outflows. We'll be taking the present value. That's a very colloquial understanding. Why you do NPV? Why you need the calculation of NPV to determine the profitability of an investment? And second thing, it accounts for the time value of money. So I think the other thing like ARR, ignore the time value. Just now we discussed. So net present value. How to represent it? The difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a period of time. That's why we mentioned about it. Present value of cash inflow and outflow. So I think the formula is going to be very simple. Net present value, as I already told you, okay, here cash inflow, inflow over a period of time. CFT, that will be expressed as cash inflow. And whereas come to the rate, discounted 1 plus R. Suppose if it's a 10%, we used to mention this 0.10 here. Minus, here the IO is nothing but initial investment. How much money first initially made. Say you are purchasing a particular asset by spending 10 lakh rupees. That initial investment is said to be 10 lakh, or machinery 15 lakh rupees. If you get 2 lakh worth of benefit from the machinery every year, so that's said to be a cash inflow. And it will be going for coming to the decision making variable. NPV, how the value should be in favor of investment. So when the NPV is positive, the net present value is more, so automatically the investment would be profitable. We will be considering a positive or negative symbol. If it is negative, net present value is low, so that time it should be investment is unprofitable. Very simple. So positive value, we must get a positive value. But NPV, when NPV is 0, the present value is equal to expected cash flow. So that time NPV will be 0. Let me have a simple example to know about it. Say for example, you take one investment. Say we are taking plant and machinery. It requires 1 lakh initial investment. 1 lakh initial investment. So automatically the formula here we will be writing 1 lakh rupees. That's why it's written as here. The investment period is for 3 years. This is the first year, second year, third year. So the formula will be duplicated for 3 times. So it will be repeated for 3 times. So I am going for a cash flow. The first year it's 40,000 rupees. First year 40,000. Second year it's 50,000. You can see 50,000 here. And third year it's 60,000. 60,000. So the same thing here. Here you can look at the discount rate is given 10%, which will be expressed as 0.10. So that is given here 40,000 divided by 1 plus, what's the formula? 1 plus R to the power T. Here R is given as 10%, so 0.10 plus 50,000 divided by 1 plus 0.10 to the power 2, second year. So 1 plus 0.10 to the power 3. So minus 1 lakh rupee of initial investment. So if you go for a simplification, so you get 40,000, 50,000 divided by second year, this is third year. So if you add all the values, so simplify, you get 36,364, 41,322 and 45,083, which will amount to 1,22,769 minus you'll be deducting the initial value of 1 lakh rupee. So you'll be getting 22,769. We are getting this amount, you are getting it. You are getting a positive amount. So as I already told you, when NPV is more than 0, accept it. Except since NPV is greater than 0. If it is NPV, NPV is lesser than 0, then you will not accept that one. This is a simple thing with that. So net present value of what? Cash inflow and outflow. We are taking, this is cash inflow, this is cash outflow. We have taken, just we are finding, just we are substituting the value and we are obtaining it. And please remember the accept and reject criteria. If it is positive, the project is profitable. If it is negative, okay, it's not profitable, it's not advisable. So recollect the formula. Okay, so I think this is a very simple method to recollect. The greatest advantage of this one, it accounts for the time value of money, because we are going for a we are doing the effect of time value of money. Okay, all the very best.